Good morning, Hope class. Wednesday, April 15th. Did you know today's tax day? Thank goodness the government has extended the filing date for your taxes because I haven't done mine. So they've given us a couple extra months into the summer, so hopefully I'll get them done by then. But just want to check in with you, see how you're doing, see how the workouts are coming. It's very, very important that you get exercise, not only physically but mentally. This whole idea of being socially distant, staying at home, it can be taxing. So for your physical health and for your mental health, we want you to keep on moving. What I have done is I have put a Wednesday workout challenge for those of you who like a challenge. You can see it right there. It's on Canvas. It's just a multitude of different exercises. You do the exercises, rest 30 seconds, do another exercise, rest 30 seconds. So go to Canvas and take the challenge if you want, and then let me know how it is. It looks like it will it'll be taxing. So for you go-getters, go after it and see what happens. Tomorrow we will begin our discussions on evaluating health products. I'll send you all the information. There's a couple pages I want you to read, but we're going to take a look at those items that most of us at one time or another have bought when it comes to health products. And the question was it a piece of junk? Was it never worked in the first place? It was fraudulent, things like that. And I know over the years I have certainly been guilty because I have bought a lot of things and some were not even worth the money. So we'll talk about those things, and hopefully we'll be able to identify, one, why would you buy something like that, and then two, identify the skills to identify that's a scam. I'm not going to waste my time or waste my money or jeopardize my health on those type products. So here's a couple of them I just pulled out. Don't know if you can see this one, but this is my latest one that I just purchased. And I'm not sure. I've just started using it for a couple days, and I'll keep you posted on this one. This is one I found about 4 or 5 years ago and changed. I can't see. There it is. Has changed so much for me. This is turmeric. It's a spice. It's naturally grown. It's an anti-inflammatory, and this has really done wonders for me over the years. And I've tested it where I've taken it, and I feel a whole lot better. Joints don't hurt and things like that. Then I've gone off it, and probably within a week, all the pain and the stiffness and all that comes back. I go back on it. Within a week, it's all gone. And I've done that a number of times over the years, and I am totally convinced that this is a fantastic product for me. So we'll look at a couple products tomorrow, and then we'll get some input from you on some products that maybe you have bought, some that worked and some that didn't. So that's the game plan for tomorrow. Today, just keep on working out. Hope you had a good workout on Tuesday. Get a good workout in today, and then tomorrow on Thursday we will start talking about these health products. I do understand Coach Moore will be doing Refuel for you today, and I happened to watch the video, and it was faith over fear, and it's really interesting, so I'm going to encourage you to watch his video. But I did find a video all about faith, and I'd like to share that with you today, so watch this video, and then we will catch up tomorrow. Have a great day.
Thine only son, and take him to a mountain I will tell thee of. So God says to this man who's been waiting all of his life for a child, and he finally got it. And God said, now take him to a place somewhere over yonder that you'll know when you get there. And then I'm going to tell you what to do with him. And Abraham is walking, and he's leading. And he's got responsibilities, and he's got pressure, and he's uncertain. He's trying to figure out where he's going, and he's walking along, and he's walking. And the Bible said when he was yet 3 days off, he looked up and saw the place afar off. He said, that's it right there. And the boys looked and said, hey, Daddy, and you got all this wood, and we've taken this trip before, and we normally have a lamb. Did you forget the lamb? Where is the sacrifice? And Abraham says, God himself shall provide the sacrifice. That's what I came to tell you tonight. That God will tell you while you walk. You've been praying, asking God for details. And God says, just start walking. And while you are walking with me, I will fill you in on what I want you to do. And so Abraham and the lad went to the mountain together. He has tied his son, his only son, to the altar. And Abraham has raised his knife to slay his only son. And God peels back the heavens and says, stop right there. All of this is just a test. And he says, if you obey me, I will show you. Look behind you. There's a ram tied up in the thicket. I want every one of you that has a problem, has an issue, has a need, has a child, has a circumstance under attack, I want you to understand that while you are going up one side, the answer is coming up the other side. It's coming. It's coming. But while Abraham was coming up one side, the provision was coming up the other. It will be there when you get there. The opportunity will be there when you get there. Just keep on walking by faith. Because on the other side of the mountain, God has a blessing. Everything you need to do what he called you to do will be there when you need it to be there.